freshly ground spices can turn a plain meal into something that smells and tastes far more inviting. Yet the wrong grinder can leave you with uneven bits, wasted spices, and more cleanup than you expected. In this video, I'm covering the best spice grinders. I'll match the products to a few different categories, so watch the full video to find the right pick for your kitchen. You'll find links to every product in the description. If you enjoy the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss future reviews. Drop any questions in the comments section and I'll be glad to help. Now, let's get into the reviews and see what each spice grinder has to offer. Cuisinart SG10, best overall electric spice grinder. For anyone who wants quick, even results without a bulky machine, this pick stands out right away. Its mid-range pricing places it above basic grinders, yet the removable bowl and push-top control add value. A 200-watt motor drives stainless steel blades made for dry spices, nuts, seeds, coffee beans, cinnamon sticks, and dried herbs. The 90-gram bowl, which holds about 3 ounces, gives you enough room for batches without taking up much counter space. Press the lid to start, then lift your hand to stop, so pulse control feels easy and direct. A safety lock keeps the motor from running until the lid is fitted, and rubber feet help keep the base steady. Cleanup is one of its best points. The stainless steel bowl lifts out, and both the bowl and lid can go in the dishwasher. The lid can then cover ground spices right inside the bowl for short-term storage. The concern is long-term reliability. Some buyers report overheating, burning smells, motor failure, or a bowl that gets stuck on the base. I'd treat this as a grinder for short bursts and dry ingredients, not wet pastes or long sessions. For speed, easy control, and handy cleanup, it earns the top pick in this lineup. Krupp's F20342, best budget spice grinder. A low-cost grinder can still handle everyday spice prep without taking over your counter. This pick stays firmly in the budget range, giving you a simple way to grind dried herbs, seeds, nuts, and whole spices in small batches. The 200-watt motor drives stainless steel blades that can move from coarse pieces to a finer powder. You control the texture by pressing and holding the single button, then stopping once the grind looks right. The 3-ounce bowl gives you enough room for common kitchen tasks, and the compact body stores easily in a cabinet. A lid-activated safety switch keeps the blades from moving until the cover is secured, and the removable lid can double as a measuring cup. Cleanup needs a little patience since the grinding area is fixed. Fine spice and seed powder may cling to the sides or collect near the blades, so a small brush works well for clearing residue. The unit should stay dry since wet ingredients can cause motor trouble. Durability feedback is mixed, with some buyers reporting long use and others mentioning jams or early failure. For dried spices, herbs, and seeds on a smaller budget, this is a practical choice with easy control and compact storage. Chardor electric grinder, best multi-purpose grinder for spices, coffee, and nuts. Some kitchens need one grinder that can switch jobs without a lot of fuss. This option lands in the mid-range price bracket, and the 2-cup setup gives it more flexibility than the simpler picks earlier in the video. One stainless steel cup uses 2 blades for coffee beans, nuts, sesame seeds, and flax seeds. The second cup has 4 blades for garlic, basil, herbs, and other moist ingredients. Each cup holds about 2.5 ounces, or close to 70 grams. You press the lid to grind, using short pulses to move from coarse pieces to a finer texture. Most tasks should take 15 seconds or less. Cleanup is easy since both cups twist off the base and can go in the dishwasher. That removable design makes it simpler to pour out powders or rinse away stronger smells. A 2-year warranty adds some peace of mind. There are trade-offs. Buyers often call it loud, and some report cracked lids, weaker grinding over time, or motor failure after wet jobs. I would keep each run brief and avoid overfilling the cup. For shoppers who want one compact grinder for spices, coffee, nuts, and seeds, this is the most flexible choice in the group. Kuhn Recon Ratchet Spice Grinder, best manual spice grinder. If electric models feel like more machine than you need, this manual pick keeps things simple. It stays in the budget range, and the back-and-forth handle takes less wrist effort than a normal twisting mill. A ceramic grinding stone handles peppercorns, coarse salt, dried herbs, and many dry spices without rusting. The dial on the bottom lets you choose a fine or coarse texture, so you can adjust it for cooking or table use. Filling is easy through the small side door, and the clear body lets you see how much is left. It holds about 3 teaspoons, so it works best for regular seasoning rather than large batches. 5 color choices make it easy to match different kitchens. What stands out to me is the ratchet motion. You move the handle from side to side, which may feel easier for people with arthritis, carpal tunnel concerns, or weak grip strength. The trade-off is the plastic refill door. Some buyers say it loosens or breaks after months of use, and the grinder must be washed by hand. Pink peppercorn skins can clog it too. That easy ratchet action and simple grind control make this a smart manual choice for everyday pepper, salt, and dry spices. Secura SP7412, Best Wet and Dry Spice Grinder. For cooks who switch between dry spices and fresh ingredients, this pick brings both jobs into one small machine. It falls in the mid-range price level, and the 2-bowl setup gives you more range than a basic single-cup model. The dry bowl uses 2 blades for coffee beans, cumin, mustard seeds, flaxseed, and nuts. The wet bowl uses 4 blades for garlic, ginger, fresh herbs, chutneys, and small purees. Each bowl holds about 70 grams. You press and hold the lid to control the texture, from coarse pieces to a finer grind. A clear double lid lets you watch the process and helps keep powder from spraying out. I think the safety features deserve attention here. The motor will not start until the bowl is seated, and an overheat system shuts the unit down if it gets too hot. Both stainless steel bowls can go in the dishwasher, and cord storage keeps the counter neater. The weak point is durability. Some buyers report failures after a few months, especially with hard foods. Keep runs short and avoid very hard nuts. For wet prep, dry grinding, and quick cleanup, this is the category pick with the widest daily use. Waring WSG30, Best Heavy-Duty Spice Grinder. Busy kitchens need a grinder that can handle hard spices without slowing prep down. This pick carries premium pricing, yet its commercial build and 175-watt, 19,000 RPM motor make the cost easier to explain. The grinder comes with 3 removable stainless steel bowls, each with a 1.5 cup capacity. That gives you room for batches of peppercorns, dried chilies, cinnamon sticks, nutmeg, star anise, seeds, and nuts. Stainless steel blades can turn these dry ingredients into fine powder in seconds. You control the texture with short pulses, moving from coarse pieces to a finer blend. A safety lid keeps the machine from starting until the cover is locked, which helps in a busy workspace. What catches my attention is the brushed stainless steel housing, since it feels made for frequent prep. Cleanup is quick because the removable bowls and lids are dishwasher safe. Each bowl also comes with a storage lid, making it easier to prepare and hold several spice blends. The compact body can stay near a cooking station without taking much room. Keep in mind that this version is meant for dry ingredients, so wet foods and pastes belong in a different machine. The main concern is mixed durability feedback. Some buyers report years of service, yet others mention early motor failure, overheating, or broken lid tabs. Still, for restaurants, caterers, or home cooks making spice blends often, this is the heavy-duty choice built for speed and batch size. Those are my choices for the best spice grinders. Be sure to check out the other videos on the channel for more product picks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.